Hi traders, this is a video from Admiral Markets. My name is Chris, and we're going to focus on how to improve our charting skills. Before you do that though, and take a look at this video, be aware that this video has a risk disclaimer. Please take a look and pause the video to read the entire disclaimer, and you're aware of the risk involved when trading for exchange when continuing watching this video. Alright, learning from the charts, a very important process because of course charting is a great thing. We can use it for all kinds of areas in life, for instance, looking at weather, economics, investments, dissecting all kind of information. In fact, charts are great because they help visualize the information. And of course, some of you are technical traders and use charts for trading as well. So how can we improve our charting skills? Well, first of all, what we want to make sure of is that we do a pre-fact analysis. It is quite tempting and easy in a way to have your thoughts in mind and then in retrospect look back and say, oh, I thought that this would happen and I didn't trade it, for instance. Or I thought that if you're doing the weather, I thought the weather would be nice today, but it turns out that it is. It's easier to, of course, say in retrospect that, oh, I had it right. That's why we want to do a pre-fact analysis and put it on paper or computer so we have a very specific account of your charting skills. Now, whether you indeed use that charting skill to trade is a second story. Eventually, you maybe probably want to do that, right? But at first, if you really are out there trying to improve your charting skills, and you don't even have to necessarily trade it, you just want to measure how accurate you are, or you're trading specific advice and not because you already have too much risk on the table and you don't want to go beyond that, for instance. So to improve those charting skills, you then need to monitor and compare your analysis. For instance, you are doing some charting work on the pound yen 5-minute chart, and you had a certain analysis in mind. So how does that play out, obviously? And then you want to look at the accountability. You want to evaluate what really happened and how you saw it, and then you can also learn from that process. So that's basically it. You have to kind of compare what you had on paper, of course, compared to what really happened. But if you don't do that, if you just keep it in your mind, it's going to be easier to say, okay, I was correct. Whereas if you put the trading plan on paper, or you write down on the notes like, this is what I expect when looking at this head and shoulders, and then you compare it to reality, you can see how accurate and how well your charting skills, are, and you can improve those charting skills as you go along. So thanks for joining. Hope to see you in the webinars of Admiral Markets. Just click on education, webinars, and we hope to see you soon. Cheers, everyone.